Shadows cast at dawn, whispers of the yesterdays, memories like specters, they won't fade away. Underneath the elms, where the rivers run, caught between the gloom and sun. Rowboat on the lake, reflections of the pine, echoes of a farewell, forever in my mind. Softly sings the lark before the morning's begun, dancing through the gloom and sun. In the gradient of twilight, where the day meets night, I can see your face in the half light, holding tight to moments that never come undone, torn between the gloom and sun. Gypsies by the fire, with tales untold, hoping for the spark of dreams turn gold. Yet in the embers glow, a journey's never done, storming between the gloom and sun. Maple leaves are falling, rustle in the breeze, letters left unopened with thoughts to see. Between the lines we wonder where hearts come undone, woven in the gloom and sun. In the gradient of twilight, where the day meets night, I can see your face in the half light, holding tight to moments that never come undone, torn between the gloom and sun. In the gradient of twilight, where the day meets night, I can see your face in the half light, holding tight to moments that never come undone, torn between the gloom and sun, torn between the gloom and sun. Out on the highway, dusty blue skies, the wind carries whispers of long goodbyes. Old broken heartstrings, they sing in the breeze. A memory of you just brings me to my knees. Midnight, the moonlight, stars in the haze, wishing on shadows, looking for your gaze. The echoes of laughter, they haunt me alone. The song of your name carved deep in my bones. Baby, come back to this heart you've gone. The days are just empty, the nights are so long. The silence is louder than words ever spoke. Baby, come back, don't let this love go broke. Down by the river, where we first met, the waters remember, they won't let me forget. Your touch like fire, your whisper like wine. Baby, please come back to once upon a time. Barefoot and broken, I'm walking these miles, tracing the footprints of your fading smile. The sun's getting heavy, it's dragging me down, but I'll keep on searching through this old town. Baby, come back to this heart you've gone. The days are just empty, the nights are so long. The silence is loud like a canyon and cries. Baby, come back before our love